This is my last try for today. I took the carburetor off. I take this cover off. The housing behind it, 8 mils or 5/16. Hold that on. 10 mils hold the nuts to the housing and hold the carburetor on the studs. One 10 mil down here. Take these hoses off if you want. I left it hanging on the fuel tank, but turn the fuel off. And then you need a pliers, or you can sometimes just do it by hand to pull off the clamp and the hose. And the linkage is something I forgot to mention in the other video. As soon as you pull the carburetor off about a 1/2 inch, you can turn that throttle lever and push the linkage straight up, and carefully take that spring off before or after you do that, the little spring. And I took the bowl off, and then the jet out, blew that out in a couple passages, so I hope that's what it was. Seems to run rich with the choke, that's better. Before it only ran smooth with the choke, telling me that it was green. And I'm taking the choke off already after 30 minutes.